What's up, Dusty Crew? Today we're going to be looking at the red bug because my blinkers don't work anymore. So I have an idea of what that might be. Let's check it out.
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
So, if we pop the hood, alrighty. See if I can get, see that wiggle? That's the terminal itself that's wiggling, so we'll see if I can show you what it's causing. So I'm gonna start it up. So this is what it's doing. See, it'll click off and it won't stay blinking. It won't even blink once. If I'm gonna click it, won't even. So I'm suspecting. Let me turn this off. So I'm suspecting it's that flasher unit. I have one on order from Amazon. It's gonna be delivered to Spencer's house, so I'm gonna drive over there and we're gonna change it over there. So see ya. Alrighty, let's figure out this blinker situation. Oh, I don't want to get out because it's all toasty warm in here. Oof. Alright, I'm getting out. Okay. Maybe I can even get this done before the sun goes down. We'll see. Grab the package. Should be it. Oh, okay. Alrighty. This guy right here. Little flasher relay. Alrighty. Let's see how fast I can get this changed out. Okay. Alright. Let's compare the two. Okie dokie. So, here's this guy. XL. XL. Alrighty. Seems simple enough. And the terminal does not wiggle on this guy, so. Okay. Okay. This one's gonna be kind of a bitch. I'm gonna need 2 hands. 1 sec. Alright, I'm just gonna have to take you out. Oh, it doesn't want to come off. Okay, ow. Always has to be some blood tax there. Alrighty. Alright, I got it out, as you can see, so. Let's get the new one. I'm gonna have to bend that a little bit tighter. Nope, I'm gonna have to get out some night picks. I really thought I'd get away with it that easy. But, gonna need to get out the night picks real quick. Bend that second level in a little bit tighter, so I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I gotta bend this guy right here a little bit tighter. Because see how it wobbles around? I don't like that right now, so that's okay. We are going to adjust that mount. It'll just take us a little bit longer. I think this will do. Let's see. I'm trying to pinch it in tighter to the base right here, so those will pinch in. But then I can pull it out and the flasher will be held a lot more evenly. Yeah, it's a little better. Oh, still not happy. Choose your weapon. Uh-huh. And sure. We'll see. Of course, and it's turning in there. Okay. Tells me that needs to be. Tells me that needs to be a tighter mount. I'm just gonna remove that mount real quick. Oops, those are flatheads. There we go. Sure. Alrighty. Damn, this thing's a long self-tap. Holy moly. Come on, you. Alrighty. There we go. Got it out. Now that that's out, I can squeeze it the way I want it. Hose clamp. You know what, while I'm taking the time, let's grab some kind of, I don't know, sandpaper, emery cloth, something like that. Clean this guy up. I'll also clean up the ground under the hood, because might as well. Alright, well, it's not much, but it's a little bit. Okay, found out that that guy's just tabbed up there because I knocked it loose. Probably not a great thing to do. Let's see. This ground wire looks pretty okay, so we will see. We'll see if I get the shot. Alright. Okay. That guy's back together. Nice and tight. Okay. Let's go ahead and put this guy on. And then I gotta slip on that. Okay. There we go. Like that. Oh, and of course, I forgot a flat blade. Oh, all the way back to the garage. You know the worst part about forgetting your tool and going all the way back to the garage to get one? Is realizing you had the freaking tool out there. So now I took an unnecessary trip. Yep, it was under the Scotch-Brite. Damn it. Okay. Also, I unfortunately placed it this direction, not the other way. Not the other way, which would give me vast amounts of free space. Of course. Hey, that's actually pretty snug in there. Okay, so I see. Alrighty. Come on, you. Alrighty. Got it connected up. Well, it's now approaching nighttime. Let's see if that works. So, see if it worked. Hey, it did. And let's make sure she's a blinking on the outside. Hey, she is. Okay. Woo! I have blinkers again. Oh, that's a good feeling. That was a short little video this time, but if you guys liked it, make sure you're subscribed down below. Make sure you are, because we are going to put out a video every Sunday, and they are going to be getting better and better every time.